Hi guys, it's Zach Attack, and this is the FNAF 2 challenge and Ultimate Custom Night. So we have to put on Toy Freddy, Toy Bonnie, Toy Chica, Mangle, Balloon Boy, JJ, technically, Withered Chica, Withered Bonnie, Puppet, and Golden Freddy. This one is going to be kind of a challenge. Oh, and Phone Guy. You can't forget about Phone Guy. This one's going to be more of a challenge, and I know that just by seeing it. It's more characters. You gotta deal with them. Puppet is gonna annoy me. Toy Freddy is gonna annoy me. I know they're gonna annoy me. Let's go. I'm using the death coin on Toy Freddy first. Because I hate Toy Freddy in this game. He's literally my arch nemesis. That game was totally rigged. It's Toy Freddy's old. Oh gosh, music box already. Yeah, that's not gonna be fun. Having to go to that music box. Need the call. Be gone, Bonnie. Like, actually, be gone. Okay, Toy Freddy's gone. I got rid of him to make my life a lot easier. I'm gonna have to deal with 2 vent snare people, so this is not gonna be okay. Oh my gosh, stop calling me. Literally. Just saying, to anybody, if anybody ever calls you, like a telemarketer, if you feel like you want to do this, answer the phone and say, "Stop calling me!" And then just hang up. It's sometimes what I do. I'm just gonna say this to any kids out there: don't do this to protect your identity. Oh no! I'll let Puppet out. Ah! Puppet got to me.
The others are like it.
I don't want Dee Dee coming, that's why I'm doing this. Let's move. Start getting these fast coins. Oh, what? I accidentally turned Toy Freddy. Let me get. Thank you. I accidentally turned Toy Freddy off when I used the death coin. My bad. Alright, I lost one of my powers. I'm still going. Let's keep going. Alright, here we go. Let's get some fast coins. Get some fast coins. Get some fast coins. Get some fast coins. You gotta remember the puppet. That's the stress that's gonna be on my shoulders all game. Get the poopit. Get the poopit. Turn this on. There's like no fast coins around here. Yeah, Mangle, I'm just gonna snare Mangle so she doesn't try to get in. I don't care! No! No!
I know how much you like to fight, so I'll add a new problem to your night.
Okay, Dee Dee, go ahead. What is it? It's not block. Oh, it's the snare. Let's figure it out, boys. Figure it out. Okay, it's something we don't know about. We'll find out what it is at the end. Turn the fan back on. Puppet, 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 puppet. Good job. Toy Freddy's gone. This is making my life easier. Really, that death coin's a lifesaver. Mute call. It's actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Maybe you should just, like, up the difficulty of somebody. I'm hoping that's what it is. So I have to do with absolutely nothing else. Yeah, Withered Chica's gonna walk right into the snare. Wind, 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 wind. Oh, that's good. He added trash in, well, he or she added trash in the gang. That's really good. Because trash in the gang can't kill you. Music box. Just get the mask on, we're fine. This is pretty easy, just sit in the office.
Sir, how may I be of service to you?
Power. Alright guys, we're doing really good. This is easily a really hard mode. I hope y'all think this is hard too, because I don't want to be raiding a one-man show here. We have to turn the fan on. I mean, I have to. We need to get the vents done. Get the music box. Handle the vents. The vents look fine for now. Cut this off. Basically just stall. If I just stall, I'll be fine. Just sit here now. They can't attack if I don't move. Even if the public gets out, I don't care. Because I win. Let's go. 6 a.m. baby, let's go! That was the FNAF 2 challenge. Woo! Alright, so she added trash in the gang on 2. Just realized that. Oh, she put him on 12. We'll see in a minute. She put them on 7. That was easy. Alright, so y'all know the drill. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see y'all next time. Remember, shout out to Claire and Caitlin. Alright, guys. Bye.